Time after time making a strip of a flower bed or even a flower bed, you got to break the old shovel out, and pickaxe and excavator, skid steer, and just work, work, work. Well, I've got an easier way. Stick around and I'll show you. And this is the hard part, back breaking. I still have quite a bit more of this to do, but I can only do just a little bit. It's way humid out today. I'm already roasting. I should probably quit and just go inside and take a nap. I've already run that thing a long way. Now I'm cutting out little squares. Makes it easier when I get the shovel after it. Probably should have watered that down a little bit, knocked back on the dust. It's been very dry here lately. Well, I've hoed it, run the tiller over it, re-weeded it, and planted a few things in here for the finishing of this summer. Next spring, when I can plant all of it, should look pretty good by summertime. Can't wait. How about you?